Okay, for your works cited, right, you will be referring to a number of books, right, print books. So you will have to record the name of the author, you will have to record the title of the book, you will have to record the name of the publisher, the year in which the book was published, and the page range. Okay, so now take a look at it. Suppose the name of the author is Charles Dickens. Charles would appear here, okay, the second part, whereas Dickens would come here, because this is the style that you have to follow. That is, you will put the author's last name first, that is Dickens, then you put a comma, then you write the author's first name. So it would be Dickens, comma, Charles, and then you put a period or a full stop. Then you give the title of the book. Alright, now suppose the title of the book is David Copperfield. You give the title. You must learn, or you must never forget, to italicize the title. And the important words in the title should begin with a capital letter. So in David Copperfield, D should begin with a capital letter and C should begin with a capital letter. So after you write the titles, you put a full stop here. Then you will have to give the name of the publisher. Who published this work? Okay, is it Oxford University Press, Cambridge University Press? Who did that? Alright, you have to give the name of the publisher. Then again put a comma, the year in which this book was published. Okay, so you have to give the year, then again put a comma, and then the page range. Suppose you are not referring to the whole book but only to a few pages from the book, then you will have to give the page range. For instance, if you have read page numbers 60 to 83, so you have to give the page range as 60-83, and then you'll put a full stop. This is how you cite the books in print. Okay, so this is the first thing. So like this, you'll have many number of books. You'll have to document all the details of the print books. Okay, so the print books, the websites, the electronic books, everything should be documented, and then you have to decide the alphabetical order. The second kind of documentation would be that of your e-books and other books that you have found online. Alright, the earlier example was print books. Now for e-books also, you need to have all the details that is there. That is the author's name, the title, okay, the publisher, the year in which it was published, and the page range. But in addition, because this is taken from a website, you have to give the title of the website, or if it is a database, okay, the database, and then you have to give the URL. That is, usually that is in ebooks. Okay, when you're documenting ebooks, you need not use this HTTP or HTTPS. This is not necessary. After this, whatever comes, www dot whatever the website's title, that is something that you have to give. Again, please don't forget to put a comma after the author's last name, then a full stop here, a full stop, a comma, a comma, a full stop, a comma, and then again a full stop. The next thing that you'll have to do is to document websites. See, for this you will have to have the author's last name as well as the first name, then the title of the page. What is meant by the title of the page? When you're talking of the title of the page, there would be when you open the web page, there will be a title on top. So you have to give the title of the page, and then after that you have to give the title of the website. Alright, so from where have you taken this? Then if the name of the publisher is different from that of the title of the website, give the name of the publisher too. In websites, when you're documenting websites, you must see to it that these two parts are definitely there. That is, your date published. When was this posted? Okay, so the date published and the website, that is the URL. You must not use again here HTTP or HTTPS. Just begin with www, okay, whatever. You have to just begin it like that.